Dyness B4850-Box plus EZHI unboxing and installation video. Here is Dyness B4850-Box product. You can see that except to the product, it is also equipped with the following accessories. Then, let's show you the specific installation. It supports multiple installation methods, such as wall-mounted and floor standing, to save space to the greatest extent. Equipment installation. Battery module installation. Ensure that the battery power is turned off. Install the battery module. The holes on both sides of the battery should be aligned with the positioning posts of the battery box. Connect the power cable. Connect the communication cable. Plug in the power and the communication cables one by one respectively. Connect inverter. Communication interface connection. Photovoltaic panels are also ready. Remove the DC connector protective sleeves. Connect the PV panels to the connectors until you hear a click sound. Install the ground wire with 2 screws and torque control 6 Nm. Ensure the power cable and ground wire are reasonable. It is not easy to be short-circuited, watered, and corroded. 1. Set the battery dip switch. 2. Turn on the on-off switch and make sure the switch is in the on position. 3. Press the SW button for 3S to wake up the battery. Then lower the top cover vertically and align it with the chassis. After the connection is successful, you can check the battery status at any time on the app. Installation complete. Your Dyness balcony energy storage solution B4850-Box battery is now securely mounted, fully connected, and ready to power your home.